how to set up payment method on Facebook Lite. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to set up payment method in Facebook Lite. So first thing, just head over to your Facebook Lite application and make sure you are logged into your account. So now what you need to do is just click on this hamburger icon at the top right corner and simply scroll down and simply enlarge the settings option over here and click on settings. So what you need to do now is just enlarge the settings and privacy option over here just like this, and simply click on this order and payment options. So as you can see, when you click on it, you will be redirected to this new screen, and you can basically click on this add payment method if you have a quick payment method such as PayPal. But if you want to add a credit or debit card, you can simply tap on this first option over here, that is credit and debit card, and simply choose your Facebook Meta account, and now finally click on add debit or credit card option. So now all you have to do is just enter your card number, your CVV number, as well as your month and year date, and your country or region, full name, address, etc., and simply click on save. And just like that, you will have successfully added your payment details and set up your payment details on your Facebook Lite application. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.